Welcome to Mongoose channel. Mongoose is a TCP/IP network stack with embedded web server, MQTT client, built-in TLS, and firmware update functionality. In this video, we will demonstrate how to implement remote firmware updates on microcontrollers including STM32, NXP, RP2350, ESP32, and others. You can see the full list of the supported architectures in Mongoose documentation. We will be using a Pico2-W development board, but you can use any other supported board. The procedure will be identical. Visit mongoose.ws and open Mongoose Wizard. Start a new project. Select the target directory where the generated files will be stored. Choose the target architecture, Pico2-W. Choose a blank dashboard, click Next, then click Finish. In the Settings tab, specify Wi-Fi network and password. Click Generate. This will create a project in the output directory. Run make build flash. Start the serial console. Open the device's IP in your browser. The blank dashboard is now served by our device. Now, let's add the firmware update button to our firmware. Go to Settings, change the integration mode to Existing Project. Add a panel and the firmware update button. Notice that adding a firmware update button automatically adds a firmware update REST API endpoint. Click Generate. Rebuild and reflash the project. Now the dashboard shows the update button. Let's make a minor change to the firmware. For example, change the panel background color. Click Generate. Rebuild the project, but do not reflash it. Click on the Firmware Update button. Choose the bin file. Wait for the OTA to complete. Now the dashboard is updated. The same can be done without the UI, but from the command line interface. Make another change to the firmware. Click Generate and rebuild the project. Run the curl command to push the new firmware to the OTA endpoint. Wait for the OTA to complete. Notice that the firmware has been updated. This way the firmware can be updated by the automation tools. You can watch the other video that explains how OTA can be performed over the MQTT connection. Congratulations! We have learned how to implement remote firmware update with just a few clicks. Hit like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.